Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. Now, real quick, before I get to the question, why is there all that, kind of blank space over here? If I do that, because of that big movement there, that kind of just makes the chart harder to see. So just from a presentation standpoint, I want to do this, just makes things a little bit easier. So now back to the question. What is this question? Well, I think we'd all agree that today was a good solid move from where it was here to where it ended up closing. Good solid day. But that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, the key level all revolves around this point down here at $1.05. Why is $1.05 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So think about $1.05. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here, and you'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well then, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in the upwards direction as time goes by. Now, ideally speaking, if the price can hold up above that level of support there at $1.12, that would, make the chart look the strongest going forward. But by no means am I saying that if $1.12 fails, that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. What about levels of resistance? If this move is going to continue upwards, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? Initial area of resistance on any sort of bounce going to be right there at $1.23. And then after $1.23, next key battleground up there at $1.32. So all in all, no doubt about it, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going into next week? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.